Oh, what do we have here? Officer drags woman from car after she refuses ticket.
Hi there. I'm Corporal Morgan with the Hearst Police Department. Reason why you're getting stopped, you were just driving through a school zone going 40. It's a 25 through there. Do you have your driver's license proof of insurance with you today?
15 miles over the speed limit?
Coming from?
Why?
Just a question.
It's none of your business.
I'm sorry?
It's none of your business.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
It is.
We know how that goes.
I'm showing you that.
Is this a Tesla?
Any reason for the hurry this afternoon?
I wasn't in a hurry. I didn't even see a school zone.
Oh, there's a flashing signal as you were driving.
I can tell you why she didn't see those flashing lights. She was either on that phone or she was messing with someone on the dashboard. And it is really easy to go fast in these cars. These things take off at the speed of light.
On the side of the roadway.
This looks like a typical neighborhood. It looks like a neighborhood in Houston, Texas. She trying to get her insurance off her cell phone and an email. I do that shit all the time too. There you go.
Can I see your phone?
Just trying to make sure
Let's get to March. Let me go check on your license. I'll be right back with you. Y'all just stay in the car for me.
That probably not a Tesla, but whatever it is, looks fast and brand new. All right, we got a simple encounter. Nothing too crazy.
Okay, Tanisha, you'll be receiving a citation today for the speed. I just need to get a signature from you. This is not an admission of guilt.
I'm not.
It's a promise.
That's a BMW.
Sign it. That's fine. I'll just put refuse.
If you don't sign that ticket, your ass going to jail. Sign the ticket and go on about your day.
I need to get the VIN number on the car real quick. I'll enter that. I'll print you your copy and send you on your way.
Why does this look like Texas
Where's
on the
your
southwest side, on Houston?
sticker on the car?
I just bought this car, so I'm waiting for it.
Okay.
Any more questions?
I'm just asking.
Okay. I told you.
Do you have your bill of sale with the car then?
No, I don't.
Okay, you should probably carry that with you if you're not going to display your registration sticker.
Well, I wasn't told that, so.
Well, he's telling you now, so I suggest you just listen to him and just end this encounter. I always try to say the least I can to an officer, and that usually makes a good day for me. Give me my shit. All right, thank you. Whoop-de-whoop. Bye.
I need to get updated on the laws.
Her attitude is very nasty, though. I get you on like getting pulled over, but you got to follow the speed limit.
All right, give me just a second.
Simpson and what? That's not HPD though, but. That a Jetta? Oh no, that's a BMW.
All right, here's your copy of the citation. As far as the bills, you don't want to take it? Well, it's going to take it because it's your citation. That's your citation. That's littering.
Oh.
Don't
Yes,
do
ma'am.
that.
Yes, ma'am. Step out.
I'm not stepping
Step out.
I'm not
6963.
Yes.
Step out.
I'm not
Step out. Step out. Step out.
For Jesus Christ, your son is saying, please chill. Don't do this in front of me. Just do what you need to do because you didn't have to throw that at him. We make situations 10 times worse when we do shit like this. Your child is in the car. You're supposed to be showing him how you conduct yourself when you getting pulled over, even if you agitated. It was no reason to act like this. And the officer is being very patient. He wasn't being mean. He wasn't being rude. He was just, hey, whoop-de-whoop. Why are you going so fast? Boom, boom, boom. Like, he wasn't even on bullshit.
Stepping out.
I'm not stepping
Step
out
out.
of shit. Call
Step
your
out.
motherfucking supervisor.
I am the supervisor.
You're not the
Ooh.
supervisor.
Yes, I am.
Call your
I am the
supervisor.
corporal.
What do you do when they say call the supervisor and you the supervisor. So you're acting the ass in front of the supervisor.
Step out. Step out.
Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. I will step out when the supervisor.
I am the supervisor. Ma'am.
Get your hand off
Tanisha.
me. Get your hand off
I'm not letting go.
You littered. You dropped the ticket, not me.
I put the ticket in the car.
You dropped the
because
ticket,
that's your
not
copy.
me. You dropped the ticket, not me. Get your hands off me.
Take the ticket
you're
and
touching
go.
Me. Give me the ticket. You're touching me forcibly. You're holding me too tight, and you're being out of line.
You are resisting.
Y'all see this, right?
Sir, I'm sorry.
Stop.
Can she just get the ticket?
No, you stop.
Stop.
Why are you holding my arm like that?
You know this is pathetic when a child got more common sense than a goddamn mama.
Give you the
Why?
ticket,
No, you
then
did
you
not.
proceeded
You
to throw
dropped
it.
the ticket,
I
not
put it
me.
in your car.
I told you I did
and
not
you
want
proceeded
it.
to throw it out of the
dropped
car.
You dropped it. You're doing too much. I'm not afraid of you. Get
That's
your hand
fine,
off of
but
me.
I've asked you
You're
to step
holding
out of
me
the car.
forcibly for no reason.
Because you need to step
Get
out
your
of the
fucking
car.
hands off
Step
me.
out of the car.
No, what am I stepping out of the car
Is there
for?
anything I can do to get you to comply?
Look, Mom, he just said take the
To
ticket.
comply.
You threw the car out of the car.
No, I did not. You did that.
He said
You
take
threw
the
the
ticket
ticket at me.
I gave it to you so
You
you
threw
could
the
leave,
ticket at
and then
me.
you grabbed it
Okay,
and threw it out.
give me the
It's on
ticket.
your phone
Give
video.
me the ticket.
We're
Give me the
we're
ticket.
past that.
Okay.
You're under arrest.
Yeah, your ass going to jail.
Step
For
out of the
what?
car, littering.
Okay.
Step out of the car.
I'm not.
You're under arrest.
No, when the
Yes, ma'am.
when your colonel gets
No,
here,
we are
then
beyond
I will
that.
Step out.
Step
I'm
out.
not getting out of the car.
Step out.
I'm with my child, and I'm not
I
doing
understand
that.
you're with
Call
your
father
child.
right now.
Step out of the car.
I'm not.
Step
I'm
out
not.
of the
I'll
car.
step out when another officer gets here. I'm not
Step
stepping
out.
I don't trust you. You're holding me too.
You don't trust him, but you been nasty with him since the very first encounter. How do you not trust him when you was the one that initiated all this? You the one that started this. Like, come on now.
Because I don't trust
you. Don't
you
have
to not
to hold
leave.
me like I'm not going anywhere. Where am I going to go?
I will stop holding
I'm
you
not
if
gonna
you
go
step out of the
anywhere.
car.
I'm not stepping out of the car.
You need to
Call
step
your
out of the
colonel
car.
and I will get out of the car.
This is
You're
resisting
holding me.
arrest.
I'm not
At this point, it
resisting.
is.
Because you're not
what am I
answering
under
my
arrest
order.
for? What am I
Littering.
under arrest for? I didn't litter.
You
did
threw the
that.
ticket out
no,
the
I did not.
window.
You did that. You did that. It's all on camera.
You're
so
correct.
when your colonel gets here, then I will step out. I have my child with me.
The colonel ain't stepping out.
I am the
I'm not getting
corporal.
out of the...
Corporal, whatever.
You have a supervisor, okay?
I am the supervisor
so
on
when your
duty.
supervisor gets here,
He
then
is
I
not.
will step
I am
out
the
of
highest
car.
ranking
Call
supervisor.
someone else
I don't
to
have
come
anyone
here.
else.
There is someone else.
Not right now.
There is someone
You
else.
need to
Let me
step
call
out of the car.
911.
Stop.
Get your
Stop. Get out.
Oh.
Stop, Mom, chill out,
Get
Mom.
out.
Wait, stop, sir, please stop.
Stop. Get out.
Stop.
You traumatizing your child.
Stop.
Wait, stop.
Get out, man.
Oh. And she knocked his body cam off.
Stop.
Get out.
Wait, please stop.
She wanted this from the very get-go.
Roll over.
All of this for what? Because you got a funky-ass speeding ticket? That was so stupid.
Roll over.
You got what you wanted today.
Roll over. Lower to the left.
You got exactly what you wanted. I don't feel sorry for people like this. Like, you literally got exactly what you wanted. You started off nasty. You was nasty the whole fucking time. Then you want to throw a hissy fit and throw the ticket out the window. You deserve everything that coming to you. You deserve to get arrested. Because that was just childish and stupid and ignorant. And you got your damn child right there. Why would you do that to your child?
All you had to do is take the ticket and leave.
That's it.
13, one female detained.
Dumbass.
Get my phone.
What was the point of that? What did you prove? Now you got to spend more money. So stupid.
Get her set up and have her sit up against the bumper.
Somebody needs anger management ASAP.
Step up. My feet, please. There we go. Go into this car back here.
And you got a busted lip.
Face the number 11. Right there. Spread your feet for me. No guns, drugs, knives on you, right? No guns, drugs, or knives on you. Yes or no?
You was just talking. Talk now, motherfucker.
Any guns, drugs, or knives on me?
He doesn't
It
know.
does.
I don't know. That's why.
It don't matter what it look like you got. The nicest person in the world could look like they ain't got shit and have everything on them. You can have a blade in your mouth. You can have a gun, a 23. You can have, they got guns that's literally small as hell, about the size of my thumb. Like, nah. Well, about like size of this, you know what I'm saying? So no, you can have anything on you. Then you got a tattoo of a gun on your back. I would think that you got something. And me being a police officer, I wouldn't put nothing past nobody. That's how I am now. Like the shortest person in the room, the smallest person in the room, I'm still scared of them like I'll be the biggest person in the room because they still can either knock you out or take you off this earth.
It's a yes or no question. Keys in the back of my hand.
I hope it was worth it. I really hope it was worth it.
Get my phone.
Get in there.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. What did you guys think about this video? I thought it was completely stupid. From the time that she got into the officer's presence, she was just nasty, ugly, mean, and rude. And for the life of me, I don't understand. It was just a simple traffic stop. Why would you turn a simple traffic stop into this in front of your child? Like you literally just, oh my God, she just traumatized her child for no reason because of her actions. I would never do this in front of my child. Your son is screaming in the background. He's scared. He's mortified. He's hoping that the police officers don't hurt you or take your life. Because we see this all the time. So this was just stupid. This was downright stupid. And you deserve everything that's coming with you when it comes to this. Because that was just stupid. Coming to you. But that's it, baby. We out.